Welcome to Module 5, Lesson 1. Our I can statement is, I can describe how to represent multiplication using arrays or concrete models, such as counters and base 10 blocks. So this is reviewing what you guys worked on when you were learning multiplication strategies in 3rd grade. So we're going to go back to what arrays are and what a concrete model is. For those concrete models, you can be using counters, base 10 blocks, drawings, any sort of thing like that. All right, so let's take a look at number 1. A standard apple tree can grow 13 bushels of apples. How can you use base 10 blocks to show the number of bushels 2 standard apple trees can grow? Okay, so this isn't giving us an option. We're going to use base 10 blocks to show. If you have any base 10 blocks in front of you, you are more than welcome to use these. Or you can draw using our sticks and our cubes. All right, so we know one standard apple tree can grow 13 bushels of apples. So I'll draw myself a stick for 10, 13. How would I represent that then as 2 trees? There's tree 1. Tree 2 is going to produce the same number of bushels, right? 13 bushels. So what is our equation to show the number of bushels 2 standard apple trees can grow? So let's go ahead and write that in there as well. We know that each tree can grow 13. So 2 times 13 bushels of apples from each tree will equal 2 tens, right? So 20. 2, 3 is 6. So it equals 26. Right, so there is our concrete model and our equation. Number 2, the guacamole recipe uses avocados. Each avocado has 234 calories. How many calories in the guacamole are from avocados? Okay, so we need to take a reference over to our recipe. Okay, it says there are 3 total avocados in each recipe. We're going to draw a picture of our work to find what 3 avocados with 234 calories each would be. Okay, again, it gives us this representation of base 10 blocks over here in our drawing, so I'm going to go ahead and use that as well. So each avocado is 200, 3 tens, and 4 ones. Okay, so there's my 234. But that's not just for one avocado, right? I have 3 avocados, so I need to add another 200s, another 3 tens, another 4 ones. There's 2 avocados. And the 3rd and final avocado. Boom, there we go. All right, so our equation would look like 3 avocados times 234 calories in each avocado. Now, to solve this, right, we can use our drawing to help us. We have 600s. Nine tens and 12 ones. So we can add 600 plus 90 plus 12. I know that 90 plus 12 will equal 102 plus 600. So my total would be 702. Okay, now let's go ahead and look at question A. Question A asks us, how can you use place value and base 10 blocks to find the number of calories in 3 avocados? So basically it's asking us, well, how could we have found that answer, that 702 calories, using what we did. So you're showing that you're using base 10 blocks to represent the calories in each of the 3 avocados. You have 3 groups of those base 10 blocks. And letter B, we already sort of did this, right? How can you write a multiplication equation for the base 10 block representation? How did we write it? Well, we knew it was 3 groups of 234, which equaled 702 in total. So we want to write that in words, 3 groups of 234 calories. All right, go ahead and pause the video, complete the check understanding, and press play when you're ready to check your work. All right, so let's go ahead and check your work. The first one is we can represent it by using 4 groups of 100, 2 tens, and 6 ones. So we'll have 4 of each of those sets. Here's my quick drawing of 1 10 and 3 ones 6 times. And then for this one, write a multiplication equation for the representation. There are 3 clear groups here, and within each group, there's 100, 110, and 1 1. So 3 times 111 will get us 333.